So I'm trying it without the syrup, and it's absolutely delicious. It has a slight sweetness to it, and it is a little bit chewy like it said. So I'm going to add a little bit of syrup. That's just enough. Add a little bit of syrup, and I'm going to do this taste test with the syrup. Alright, you guys, it's really pretty. There we go. So here we go. It has a wonderful chew to it. Oh, I love it. Very delicious, and I will go back and get another box. I give this 1 to 5. 1 out of 5, I'll give it a 5. I'm absolutely loving this mochi flavor. Alright, you guys, so thank you so much for tuning in to Journey with Char. If this is your first time seeing my channel and you like what you see, please hit that subscribe button. I hope you enjoyed this taste test of the UBE or UBE Mochi Pancake and Waffle Mix. It is at your local Trader Joe's, hopefully. You guys go test it out, and the ice cream as well. It is so delicious. So thank you so much for tuning in. You all have a wonderful, happy Mother's Day weekend. This is Saturday morning. And you guys be blessed. Remember, trust God, keep Him first. He'll always lead you in the right direction. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Also, give me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. You guys be blessed, and I'll see you soon. Bon appetit.